Hello guys, it's a Pokemon Master. For this video, I'm going to see what happens when I put one of these marshmallows in the microwave for a minute. So, got a microwave. Move the cereal boxes out of the way. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. Where's that one right there? There's the marshmallow. It's starting to expand. It's really expanding, as you can see. And it still has 36, 35. Okay, it's still in there. Holy crap, if you could see this, it's about doubled in size right now. With 15 seconds left. Holy crap, it's really huge. Wow, this is cool. Okay, it's still, it has 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, there's our marshmallow. It's gone from this to this. How about let's put it in for another minute, see what happens. Okay, I'm going to put it in for 30 seconds. I was going to put one of these huge marshmallows in, but my mom wouldn't let me, so. Because it has wheat in it, my big brother's allergic to wheat, so. Okay. This is really cool. Okay, now it's smoking. Okay, so yeah. It's kind of burnt right now, and went from that to that. So now let's throw it. Beth, open up the garbage for me.
Eat that.
No, okay. Open up the garbage. Now I'm just gonna throw it away. Yep, that was it. Yep, bye guys.